All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, I do have a special update for you guys. Now, this is something that caught me completely off guard, so there's no way I could have informed you about what was coming up. So, with that being said, let's just dive right on in and see exactly what I'm talking about here. So, I put an application into. I've been putting applications in all over the place, but I put one in yesterday for a company, and I didn't expect to get a response back immediately. So they sent me a technical AI interview test assessment. I didn't pass the assessment. Obviously, this was my first time taking a technical assessment or test at all ever inside this AI field or tech field, period. So yeah, with that being said, let's have a look at everything that's going on here. So you can see here. Thank you for signing up. Unfortunately, you didn't pass the AI interview for the AI ML engineer this time. You're welcome to retake it with your updated skills. Don't forget to complete your profile. Now, again, this caught me completely off guard. I just put the application, I believe, was it early this morning? Or was it yesterday? I think I want to say early this morning, but I'll give it the benefit of the doubt and say yesterday. But the response came back immediately, and I was nervous, caught completely off guard, and I was just like a deer in the headlights. I'm not going to lie to you. It was a timed assessment. I think I had 17 minutes for the personality. It wasn't personality. I think it was just the assessment phase, and then 25 minutes for the coding phase. So obviously I didn't pass. So yeah, I still have a lot to work on. So on top of the self-inflicted projects that I have going on, the Unreal Engine and the AI learning agents, now I'm gonna have to start training for my technical interview because it was an eye opener today. Like I said, this was the first time I took any kind of interview in the tech field, and it was an eye opener, letting me know that I have a long way to go interview wise. Like I said, I was like a deer in the headlights, and wasn't a good feeling. I was excited, I was happy to be doing it and participating, but like I said, deer in the headlights wasn't a good feeling. And let's see how they rated me. So these are vetted skills here, and this is how the system actually rated me. So machine learning, they classified me as a junior machine learning. I'll take that. Like I said, it's only been 2 years since I've been doing it, or a year and a half since I've been doing the artificial intelligence field. So I'll take the junior. And then Python, they have me as mid-level. I wasn't sure exactly what the mid-level meant, so I googled it, of course. And let's see what Google had to say about mid-level. So it says 3 to 5 years. A mid-level Python programmer generally has 3 to 5 years of experience. Now that's right on the nose because I've been doing this between about 3 years now in Python specifically. I started out with JavaScript, CSS, and HTML, basically like everyone else almost. But after that, I transitioned into Python mainly because I wanted to get into the artificial intelligence field. And it's been about 3 years since I've done that. And as you can see, they assess my Python skills at around the 3 to 5 years mark. So I'll take that. It's a compliment actually. So I'm a junior level machine learning status, and I'm a mid-level Python status. I'll take that. And again, recommendation engines, I had no idea what that was. So I couldn't really answer those questions and do anything with that. The coding test, I knew I wasn't going to pass the coding test. It was just an experience for me. I wanted to get my feet wet and see exactly what it was. So I did my best, played around with my code, did what I had to do. Didn't pass, but like I said, I got the experience. My soft skills are average. And I'm not sure what that means, so I'm gonna have to actually start working on soft skills also. I believe soft skills are like people skills, right? I can talk to people. I think I can. But anyway, so we have 2 out of the 5 down. Machine learning, Python, those are good. I just have to work on the other 3 aspects. And I'm not talking about specifically for this role, but I'm pretty sure that these 3 would be a hindrance in any field I apply to. So I have to work on my coding test skills, my soft skills. The recommendation engines, that's just going to be a hit or miss, like things like that. I'm not going to learn every tool in every aspect of every language, but I want to learn as much as I can about the field that I'm participating in. So recommendation engines are something new to me. I've never heard of them. I'm going to have to start doing more research on that kind of stuff. Soft skills average, I'm going to have to start working on that. And then the coding test, there's really no way to work on my coding test. Like I said, I was caught completely off guard, so my mind went blank. I was like a deer in the headlights, like I said. So the coding test was pretty much on me. I'll take that one. I could have done better, but my nerves got the best of me. I was jittery, even during the personality part of the test. I was stumbling, fumbling over my words. I wasn't calm and cool and collected like I usually am. I wasn't speaking like this to them at all. Like I said, I was caught completely off guard. I put the application in yesterday. The response came back immediately. And I had a deadline to finish this assessment. I think it was a 24-hour window. You have 24 hours to complete the assessment before it gets redrawn, or what do you call it, rescinded. So yeah, that's why I had to rush through it, because I only had 12 hours left, I believe, something like that. I didn't check my emails. So yeah, so that's where, like I said, this is the first technical assessment I've taken in the tech field at all, and it didn't go well, of course, obviously, but I did get some valuable feedback. I know what I need to work on, what I need to strengthen, and what I need to go further in. Like I said, the machine learning junior status, I'll take that, because, as you know, if you've been following me on this journey, it is new. So yeah, I am new to the field. I'll take junior. As far as the mid-level Python, 3 to 5 years experience, I'll say that's right on the nose, and I'm comfortable with that. Now I just have to work on everything else. So now I'm gonna have to start taking this very seriously, my technical interviewing skills, and I'm gonna have to start brushing up on that. I'm not sure I'm going to actually document that part of the journey. I might keep that personal, because it is career oriented, and it is a real personal thing for me. But of course, I will keep you posted on updates and things of that nature. Now, the only reason I'm sharing this one with you is because this is my first one ever, and it caught me off guard. So I wasn't expecting me doing this at all today, or at all, period. Like I said, I wasn't even expecting a response back, but they sent me the assessment, gave me a timeline to get it done. I got it done, sent it back. They weren't happy. It is what it is. Now I know what to do moving forward. But yeah, like I said, this was a completely new and completely off guard, but I wanted to share it with you and let you know what's going on in my journey. This was my first assessment. As you can see, my expected pay. Don't be fooled by the number. I want a lot more. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get those skills matched to the price that I want to actually, make that a reality. Yep. But that's all I was. Like I said, this wasn't anything that had to do with the Unreal Engine or the AI learning agents. This was just a real world journey video here. So yeah, that's where we're at with it. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.